What is up? It's the day before Thanksgiving. Just wanted to come on here and do a trade recap from this morning and a couple other things. So I'm actually out of town, so I don't have access to my main computer, but I can still go over everything. I have nothing better to do. So on this morning, we had a bunch of pre-market accumulation, and I marked out Asian high and a lot of areas of low resistance liquidity. We had sell side liquidity right here, these black lines. So for my bias going into the day was bullish, just because we were so close to our old new week opening gap and new day opening gap from last week, and our weekly draw on liquidity that I had marked out. So I wanted to see a sweep of sell side before going higher. So market opened right here, and immediately we get a big sell-off, and we swept equal lows. We swept all the low resistance liquidity, and I was waiting for a reversal, and we just never got it. I even had a change in state marked out here if it were to happen, and it never did. And we just kept creating fair value gaps and going lower and lower and lower. So let's go on the 1 minute here. We got no reversal. So the trade I didn't take, but I almost took, was this trade right here. After this balanced price range and a 5 minute fair value gap getting tapped into. And this is where I was hoping for a reversal. I wanted to see this 5 minute get inversed and then get a change in state of delivery above these highs here, right here. And that never happened. So I was not looking to take a trade. And then this was the macro, these two yellow lines. So we were going to be out of the macro soon. And so at this point, I thought there's no way we don't go and take these lows here. This black line is a low, and this black line is a low sell side liquidity. And then so once we put in this fair value gap here, at that point I was thinking, like, there's no way we don't go and take those lows. So I put this short position box here just for fun, and I took a paper trade on this, and the stop up at this high, and as you can see, it would have worked. And then we went and hit these lows, and then it looks like we ended up on the day just tapping into filling the new week opening gap, and then going through the new week opening gap, and then tapping into this 15-minute imbalance right here from a few days ago. So it was just one big liquidity sweep. And now, since we inversed this 1 hour fair value gap, I believe we go higher and we take out Asian high, and we take out all this liquidity up here. But there's no trading tomorrow, so I won't take anything on that. But that is my bias. We haven't broken structure yet, but we could also go lower. There's no for sure if we go higher or not. But also, I wanted to go over this. I bought a year of FX replay, and I'm going through the month of May right now, and then really just focusing on building up my strategy. So I just took this short. This was a really nice short. I'll show you. We had buy side liquidity marked out, and we had our London high. Market opens, we sweep out buy side liquidity, and then we have a strong draw on sell side liquidity. We have equal lows down here, and we had this news low. And so this was a plus setup. We had our AMD model, we had our accumulation, London accumulation, and then we had our manipulation, sweeping out the highs. And then this is where I'm really happy with what I did here. Waited for a market structure shift on the 5 minute, not just the 1 minute. So you can see this low here getting taken out, breaking structure to the downside. And then after that, on top of that, we had this inverse fair value gap right here. Let's mark that out. IFVG put it in black. Inverse fair value gap there. On top of that, we had a bearish fair value gap right here. And all within the macro, we came back up, 5-minute retrace into this fair value gap, which I always want to see that. And then, yeah, from there we expand lower. Price hit the TP. This in one picture is exactly what I want to see. This is exactly what I look for. And last month and the weeks leading up to this week, really, I was seeing this all the time. But these last couple weeks, price action have been really bad. So I'm really excited to get back to this model. But so yeah, that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to come on here and make a quick video. I'm gone like for multiple days, but I'm gonna start doing some back testing videos, I think, and then a lot of just technical analysis. But yeah, I'm super excited for the future of this. Just gotta stay disciplined and can't get distracted, or I can't really give up either. But so yeah, happy Thanksgiving tomorrow.